In front of me is NUBIA Air, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now, instead of entering Google, hit Passwords and Accounts and tap on Open under Google to access your manager much faster. Trust me, I tested it. Then hit Google Password Manager. And to edit any of your passwords, click on it here. Then enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button. And change whatever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!